Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to screen record on a laptop. First of all you have to do is press on a shortcut key, which is Windows key plus Shift key plus S key. Once you press all the three keys all together, you will see an option. From here you have to select this video option. Once you click on the video option, then you have to select the portion of your screen that you want to record. Now I will select the video and I will select that small portion. So I will stretch it all to the whole screen. Once I've selected the area, all you have to do is from here you can select your microphone, or I will select mute system audio. I will not mute the system audio and I will start recording. Click on start. Now my recording has been started. Now 3, 2, 1. Now whatever I will do on my screen will be screen recorded. From here I have some multiple options. Either I can discard the recording, either I can pause the recording. Once I've paused the recording, now everything is paused. It is not screen recording right now. So from here I will resume the recording once again. Once I'm done, I will click on this red stop recording button. Now once I stop the recording, this window will open. From here, I can either edit it in Clipchamp, so it's a free editing software from Microsoft, or I can save you can save my screen recording, or I can click on the three-dotted option and open screen recording folder. I will open the screen recording folder, and from here I will be able to see whatever my recording is. Once I've played the audio or the video, you can see my screen recording has been recorded. That's how you can screen record on your laptop. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.